Volvo's Google built-in infotainment system in 2022 plus models sometimes needs a reset due to software glitches. There are two main types, a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot is a quick restart that clears temporary memory without deleting your data. It's your first step for minor issues like freezes or lag. To reboot, press and hold the touchscreen power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts, or navigate to Settings, System, Restart. A factory reset, on the other hand, wipes the entire system clean, restoring it to its original settings and deleting all user data like apps and accounts. Use this only for persistent problems as it's irreversible. Access it via Settings, System Advanced, Reset Options, Factory Reset. Confirm with your PIN, often 000. Remember to back up any important data before proceeding. Before performing any reset, ensure your Volvo is parked and the ignition is on. Always try a reboot first to resolve the issue. If a factory reset is necessary, be aware that it can take 5 to 10 minutes, followed by a 10 to 15 minute setup process. Check for pending OTA updates before resetting, as they often fix issues without data loss. Volvo's 2025 patches fixed 70% of reported bugs this way. Expert tip: Volvo is moving towards smart resets, where the system suggests reboots via Google Assistant. If problems persist after a factory reset, contact a certified Volvo dealer to avoid voiding your warranty, as sometimes dealer reprogramming is required to restore vehicle-specific features. By 2027, most resets will be resolved over the air, so keep your system updated.